Every year, millions of students walk into exam halls believing they are ready. Yet many lose the marks they worked all year for before the first paragraph is even finished. Not because they cannot write, but because no one ever showed them the system beneath the waves. Professor Reason Studios. The paper method. You plan, audience, paragraph, end, review. 5 moves, 1 perfect essay. Not a playlist, a library, built to be explored, learned, applied, mastered. Reading, writing, language, the world's English. 4 pillars, 1 standard, 1 mission, English mastery. From confusion to mastery, the system changes everything. Season 1 streaming now. New episodes every Sunday, 2 p.m. Your mastery begins now.